Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today we are going to be making a scrolling backdrop in Scratch. So let's get into it. Now, the first we need a size of 70 with little cats. Set it to like this only. Let's make a new sprite. So paint a new sprite. I'm just gonna make the ground green and swap quite of a nice dark blue, or better, dark blue on the top like that. Convert to bitmap. Nope, that's not what we want. You also want this like that. This should be touching. Now convert it to bitmap and then we'll have a nice one. First I want this to go to 0, 0 because it should be filling the whole screen. And then let's start coding. One flat click, go to back layer, go to 0, 0, and check this. Set the cat's position over here, which is X. So when flat click, set the cat's position to over here, X -179 and Y -128. Let's click back to the backdrop, which is the sprite backdrop. I wanted to put a forever loop because this forever loop will be checking our positions. Change X by -10. So what does this do? First it goes to the back layer, then it goes to 0, 0, then it changes X by -5. -4, I mean. -3. Oh, better. Let's check. Done. You're scrolling, but that's not if you're stuck. Yep. Anyway, we're gonna get stuck. So how to get this unstuck? Like going back. If X position is lesser than the position we have, which is what's the position? Oh, -460, not 60, 460. Go to X465. Now, to stop a bug which will come later on, duplicate this sprite, then put this on the stop to 465. 465 or 456. 465. Now, let's see what happens. Okay, it's just seeing that we are just staying right. Now, to make this like we're changing, I'm gonna put a change color effect by 25. See, now this is what I'm talking about. It's scrolling. This is what I wanted to show you. That's why I duplicated this sprite because there's a blank over here. This will stop the blank. See? So this, it will fill the blank and then stop it from coming. So this is all we wanted, folks. So till next time, scratch on, everybody. Scratch on. So this is all we wanted, right? So good, you can just test it, test till you have a nice backdrop. This is what I want. So scratch on till next time. Bye.